Ladies and gentlemen, hello, all of you are welcome. I'll make a chicken version of aubergine pot kebab. I had previously posted a similar video using small round pumpkins. In this video I will prepare a beautiful visual dish using a top eggplant. Ingredients for preparing this dish called potted kebab: one large chicken breast, 2 round eggplants, 3 green peppers, 1 red pepper, sufficient amount of garlic, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 small plate of butter, cumin, thyme, salt, red pepper, black pepper, boiled peas, boiled chickpeas. Cut the top and bottom of eggplants. Eggplants need to rub intermittently. Peeled eggplants split equally into 2 pieces. 1 eggplant will be enough for 2 people. If you want to do it for children, you can divide it into 3 pieces. Remove the inside of the eggplant with a steel spoon. Prepare eggplants with slightly thick edges, grated eggplant. Grated eggplant, egg, cheese can mix with flour and carbonate, and you can fry in breakfast. Remove the red pepper seeds. Cut the ends of green peppers. Peel the onions. Finely chop the peeled onions. Finely chop the red peppers. Finely chop the green peppers. Chop the chicken breasts with the same size as the vegetables. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me in this matter. Peel the tomato and finely chop. Fry the eggplants in hot oil. A small frying pot can fit by putting eggplants sideways. Slowly rotate and fry the eggplants. Fry the eggplants lightly, and then the eggplants will be cooked there. Add butter into wide pan. Add all the chopped ingredients and mix. Add garlic. Add boiled peas and boiled chickpeas. Add spices, black pepper, cumin, salt, red chili peppers. Dried thyme has to be added at last. Add chopped tomatoes and mix. Cook the chicken and then you can add the thyme after. Add the eggplant into the oven pan. Fill the eggplants with chicken mixture. Add water from the material you cooked. Since the chicken breast is a little dry, you can add extra oil. Cover the stuffed eggplants with tomato. Stuffed eggplants ready to bake. Bake the eggplants in 180 degrees oven for 20 minutes. Eggplants are ready to be served. Add yogurt, add roasted peppers on a plate. Add potted kebab and some ketchup, or use your own homemade tomato sauce. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched this video and supported me. Goodbye. again for a new recipe video.